Have you ever wondered what makes muscles grow? Picture this. You're in the gym, pumping iron, feeling the burn. You might think that's when your muscles are getting bigger, stronger. But here's a surprising fact. Muscles don't actually grow during a workout. It's the rest period after the workout where the magic happens. This is all part of a process known as muscle hypertrophy, a fancy term for the increase in size of muscle cells. When you exert your muscles, you're creating tiny tears in the muscle fibers. After your workout, your body repairs these tears and in the process makes the fibers thicker and stronger. So the next time you're lifting that heavy weight, remember, the real growth happens when you're at rest, when your body is repairing and rebuilding those muscle fibers. This is the mystery of muscle growth. Muscle growth is a fascinating process, but it's not as simple as just lifting weights. So, what's the science behind muscle growth? Well, the science is quite fascinating. It all revolves around a process called muscle hypertrophy. Muscle hypertrophy, in simple terms, is the increase in size of muscle cells, and it's the primary mechanism behind muscle growth. Now, let's dive a bit deeper. When you work out, you're actually causing tiny microscopic tears in your muscle fibers. This might sound a bit alarming, but don't worry, it's all part of the process. These micro tears are a direct result of straining your muscles beyond their current capacity. This is why lifting weights or doing high-intensity workouts can lead to muscle growth. But the magic doesn't stop there. After your workout, when you're resting, that's when the real transformation happens. Your body starts repairing these micro tears, and it doesn't just patch them up. Oh no, it builds them back bigger and stronger. This is where the role of nutrition comes into play. By providing your body with the necessary nutrients, especially proteins, you're essentially supplying the building blocks needed for this repair and growth. So it's not just about hitting the gym and lifting weights. It's also about resting and providing your body with the right fuel. It's a cycle of stress, repair and growth. And the result? Bigger, stronger muscles. Essentially, muscle growth is a cycle of damage, repair and enhancement. Now you might be wondering, where do nutrition and rest fit into all of this? Well, let's start with nutrition. Our bodies are incredible machines, but they can't build something from nothing. To repair and grow our muscles, we need the building blocks provided by our diet, and the star player here is protein. Protein is made up of amino acids, the literal building blocks of our muscles. Consuming enough protein, particularly after a workout, provides our bodies with the raw materials needed to patch up those micro tears and build bigger, stronger muscles. Now, onto rest. Think of it this way. Your workout is the architect, designing the blueprint for your bigger muscles, but rest is the construction crew. It's during this downtime that your body gets to work repairing and rebuilding your muscles. Without adequate rest, your body simply doesn't have the time to complete the construction. Without proper nutrition and adequate rest, your body simply cannot maximize muscle growth. To wrap up, let's go over the key points about muscle growth. Muscle hypertrophy is the process where your muscle fibers thicken, a result of consistent and challenging workouts. This is part of a larger cycle involving damage, repair, and subsequent strengthening of your muscles. Nutrition and rest are paramount too. They fuel the repair and growth process, helping you to gain strength and size. Remember, muscle growth is more than just a result of hard work in the gym. It's a complex process that requires understanding and patience.